Hello everyone, today we continue our lecture. Today we talk about the Chinese character whose sound is cai. Okay, cai. In ca. There's some Chinese character whose sound is cha, but there's no character in this website. I don't know why. So we start from ca. 8 character, okay? The first tone, cai, is 1 character. Cai. Second tone is 4 character. Cai. Third tone is 2 character. Cai. The first tone has 1 character, okay? Start from cai. Cai is like the vegetable, okay? So, see, this is the left side, okay? It means mining, picking, okay? This is the right side, okay? Is the plant, cottage. So his means pick the plants as a food, okay? Pick the plant as food. First meaning, pick the plant as a food, okay? Second meaning, adorned with food. Okay, cai. It means colorful, okay? Cai. You see, this is cai, okay? This is old style, this is now style, okay, new style. We write like this. This is like the top like a hand, okay, speak. It's take, okay. This is like a light, okay. So his meaning means gathering together variety of light and color, okay. Yeah. So his first meaning means gathering together light and color. The second meaning, designating light color. Okay. Third meaning, different color of the ticket. Okay. First meaning, dyed silk. Okay. Cai. This is another cai. Okay. So his top part is like a claw, okay, hand picking. His top bottom is like fruit, so he means pick the fruit, okay. Pick the fruit. First meaning, pick the fruit, leaves, flowers. Second meaning, excavation, dig. Third meaning, to collect, select, acquire. Diverse, rich, light color. Okay, cai. This is called cai. Okay, it means the weather. See, the left side is tony, treasure, money. The right side is useful thing. Here means money and valuable items. Cai. Okay. Another cai. You see this old style. So this character has 2 parts. So this part means tree branches, okay? So as the column and the beams, okay, a house. So this means crossbar, okay? This is crossbar. So this means begin to build a house. Column girder. Okay. The second meaning means build a house with column and beams. Third meaning is use, ability, wisdom. First meaning is intelligence, just positive. Okay, whatever. Right. This is another cai. this is another side. So this is the first structure of this character. So when this character has other meaning, we create another one to print to the wood construction. Okay. So we add a wood. So we add a wood to on the left to refer to the wood construction. Okay. First means can be used for wood construction. The second means you can use the material. Okay. Now it's another side. So three part. So this part means shear. So another part means scissors. Okay, behavioral scissors. Okay, so his meaning means cutting close garment. Okay. The first meaning cut close garment. Second meaning delete, cut. Control, decision. First meaning idea of the format. This is tie. Okay, tie means gap. See, his right part means his left part means dogs. His right part means the dog, the makeup. So his meaning means the dog can recognize his owner because his owner make up himself. Okay. So his first meaning is this. Second meaning is doubt, speculation. Okay. Thank you for watching.